Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this shower faucet installation kit that I got for my bathroom. It's a really nice system. It comes with everything you need. The bathtub spout, and then the shower head that goes on top. Really nice. It's like a nice matte finish, very well made, and the little pieces. It does a lot of different sprays, which I'll show you later. I'm going to show you the whole installation of all these pieces, and what's nice, it comes with this pure copper valve that connector that you connect all the waters to, the hot water, the cold water, this way, hot and cold, which it tells you here, and then this spout goes to the faucet, and then this one goes to the shower head. Really simple, detailed instructions, but overall it's really great, and because it's made of pure copper, it's very strong and durable. It's going to last you a really long time, and it's a really great diverter system. So awesome, highly recommend this product. It's going to look amazing and great. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.